So moving on to our next game, it's called Red Flags. So we're going to give you 3 situations, and each situation is made up of 3 statements, from which 2 are good things and 1 is not so great, which is the red flag. And we've adapted this for you and Arctic Star, and then you have to choose which situation you would rather be in. Okay. So situation 1. Arctic Star's lab-grown diamond gains widespread recognition for the exceptional quality and ethical sourcing practices, leading to increased consumer trust and loyalty. You have successfully established strategic partnerships with key influencers and celebrities, amplifying Arctic Star's brand visibility by 25x. And customers are unhappy with the post-purchase customer service experience and are complaining about delayed responses and issues with returns. Situation 2, Arctic Star successfully secures a significant investment from a venture capital firm to stay ahead in technological advancement in the industry overall. Arctic Star partners with Tiffany & Co. for a collection featuring lab-grown diamonds, but there are still polarizing opinions on lab-grown diamonds compared to natural diamonds. And situation 3, Arctic Star successfully expands its market presence globally, opening flagship stores in London and Dubai. Due to the acceptance of lab-grown diamonds, your sales double in the span of 6 months, but much larger players enter the market, hindering your future market share that you have.
Jani went into quite a bit of detail of making it. Yeah. So it's quite like...
I was giving a background, like the reasoning for why things happen.
Situation 2.
2?
Yeah.
And what's
because
your reasoning?
I think dealing with polarizing opinions, I feel like I'm doing that today also, but I think in time I will be able to navigate that space. The first one, where the customer's unhappy with like after sales service, I think that's like my main USP that we
you
offer.
mentioned one-on-one.
So like I cannot have that being a red flag. And a much larger player has entered the market. Again, that's
already
it already exists, and it's just competition. So I guess if I get more funding, then that doesn't matter to me.
Yeah.
Fair enough.